Hello and welcome to a video on how I want you to do your fact families. Obviously, I'm on Flynn's homepage to show you exactly what you're going to see. All the tasks are in Math Week 2. All I'm doing is adding bits and pieces to the actual instructions. Okay. So if I go to there's Week 1 reading, Week 1 writing, there's Math Week 2. Okay, so I'm going to open that up. Now, obviously, those of you who completed some math work on Monday would have seen this, okay, but there was no video there. Okay, so this was Monday's work up the top. Now, what you will see is there's a video, so that's me giving you a lesson of what I actually expect and explicitly teaching. Now, underneath, you'll see another video of what I actually want you to do. Now, obviously, that video is not there at the moment because I am currently doing it. Very hard to do that, two things at once. Okay, so tomorrow there'll be a video of how to do it. Now, basically what I want you to do is you need to copy and paste this. Now, what I found the last couple of days, if you're using Microsoft Edge, it doesn't allow you to copy and paste very user-friendly. So make sure that you're using Google Chrome to make it easier. So what you need to do is you need to sort of click on that couple times, and then you need to click your Shift button and your down arrow, and you need to make sure you've got all the numbers copied. Okay, then you're going to click Control C. Then you're going to go down to your Math Week 2. You're at the top here and click Control V. Okay, now all the numbers are down there. Now what you need to do is go up here and have a look which numbers I had red. Okay, because they're the big numbers. All right, so you have a look. So you can see the pattern is I've got the big numbers generally at the start. Okay, now, but so you don't get confused, I want you to go through and just quickly do that. Okay, so the 25, that was a big number, needs to go red. So make that red. Now, this is the first one I've done for you. Exactly the same as on the video. So hopefully you've seen it twice now. So we shouldn't sort of see any errors there. So the 57, that's the bigger number. The biggest numbers I'm putting first. So just do that in the red. Now, obviously, I've left a blank for here. So you're going to make the bigger number. Okay. The 107, that's the bigger number. So you've got to highlight it, make it red, and then that's your big number. 142, that's your big number. So please highlight it, make it red. Now the bottom two are actual, the bottom two are actually extension. Okay, so if you do not want to do it, you don't have to, but they're just for extension because they're sort of decimal numbers. So the 36.3 is the high number. So make that into the red. And then down here, you've got to figure out what the high number is. Okay, so that is what you do to start with. Then, obviously, in a different color than red, you need to put down the number here, and then underneath it, you need to do your 4 operations. Okay, so you need to do your 2 addition and your 2 subtraction number sentences to go with this family. Okay. Now, when you do that, and once you've done that today, then what's going to happen is I'm going to have a look at it, and then I'm going to add more number families underneath it in a different color. Okay, so you're going to do it over a couple of days because you need to do things more than once. Okay, but that is what you do. You need to copy and paste it. Get down here, make sure that you know which one the big number is. Find out what the remaining family member is, and then you write the number sentences for it like this, just like in the video. 2 addition, 2 subtraction. All right, see how you go. I reckon you shouldn't have too many dramas.